Tired of expensive spa treatments? Discover the magic of a luxurious spa experience right in your home. With simple, natural ingredients, you can achieve glowing skin, silky hair, and ultimate relaxation. Watch till the end to unveil the secret recipes that will leave you refreshed and rejuvenated. Introduction: the power of a DIY spa day. Imagine indulging in a luxurious spa experience without stepping out of your home. With simple, natural ingredients, you can rejuvenate your skin, soothe your body, and nourish your hair while creating a serene, spa-like ambience. In this guide, we'll walk you through easy and effective recipes for a refreshing face mask, an invigorating body scrub, and a luxurious hair treatment. Let's dive into the world of relaxation and self-care. The Rejuvenating Face Mask. Start your DIY spa day with a nourishing face mask tailored to your skin's needs. Natural ingredients like honey, yogurt, and oatmeal can do wonders for your complexion. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of oatmeal. Instructions: 1. Mix the ingredients in a bowl to form a smooth paste. 2. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. 3. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Tips for effectiveness: for dry skin, add a few drops of olive oil. For acne-prone skin, include a teaspoon of turmeric. Massage your face gently while applying for better absorption. The Soothing Body Scrub. Next, exfoliate your body with a homemade scrub that will leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Ingredients: 1 cup of coffee grounds, 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Instructions: 1. Mix all ingredients in a bowl until you achieve a grainy texture. 2. Massage the scrub onto damp skin in circular motions. 3. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Post-scrub care. Apply a natural oil or lotion to lock in moisture. Focus on rough areas like elbows and knees for extra softness. The luxurious hair treatment. Nourish your hair with a deep conditioning mask that restores shine and strength. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1 egg yolk. Instructions: 1. Blend the avocado, coconut milk, and egg yolk until smooth. 2. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on the roots and tips. 3. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for 30 minutes. 4. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and shampoo as usual. Maximizing results. Use heat from a hairdryer or warm towel to enhance absorption. For extra shine, rinse with cold water after shampooing. Creating a spa atmosphere. Enhance your DIY spa experience by setting the perfect mood. Light scented candles or use essential oil diffusers. Play soothing music or nature sounds. Prepare a warm bath with Epsom salts and flower petals. Sip on herbal tea or infused water for relaxation. Conclusion: a DIY spa day at home is not only cost-effective but also a wonderful way to pamper yourself using natural ingredients. From a refreshing face mask to a soothing body scrub and a nourishing hair treatment, you can achieve glowing skin and luscious hair while unwinding in a tranquil environment. So, gather your ingredients, create a serene ambience, and treat yourself to the ultimate self-care experience.